Let's take a look at Vantrue. Looks like the Nexus dash cam. All right, Nexus 2X. Tear and open your exclusive box. Let's see if I can tear and open this exclusive box. Oh my gosh. All right. Here's the there. Got the plastic, and now we have a little opener here. Let's open this beauty. Oh, I see, it's a slide off. All right, so we're sliding off the top. Woo. All right. All right, looks like you just plug it into the cigarette lighter. Accessory, the Vantrue 2-channel voice-controlled smart dash cam. User manual. Oh, wow, that's quite the booklet. Right, a lot going on there. All right, let's take a look at this. Lots of tearing open on this. Okay, look at this monster. Okay, wow. All right, you got a little screen. There's the camera in the back, the rear camera. Power, controls, you have USB-C. There's a memory card, micro SD. There's the front camera. Some controls. All right. Set this over here for now. Pull out this box. My gosh. All right. Lots of packaging here. Wow. Okay. Looks. Oh, this is a mount for the side windshield or something. Let's take a quick look at this. So much. Yeah, so it's adhesive. This is a mount. And another mount. This actually looks like it matches here. So this would go just like that. I like their bags. There's the cigarette lighter power with even give you a USB charger at the end. And the other side's going to be USB-C. Very nice to see that instead of the old, what was it, mini, USB mini or USB mini, USB, the old style. Here we go. USB-C to USB-A cable. And it looks like a little one of those, what you use to open up your car trim so you can hide the wire. So these are really, really useful. Like get up underneath, lift up the trim and get the wire underneath. So, all right, and then the bottom, got some warning labels. Yeah. Protected by Vantrue dash cams. Okay. Help prevent people from screwing with your car. All right, this is for, please peel before the application. So this is another adhesive, a little towel to clean off before you put on, or it might actually just be for lens. Yeah, I guess this is probably for the lens, so every now and then wipe off the lens. And video instructions. Okay. One thing I don't think I saw was a video card, a memory card. Was it already in this? No, it's not in there. Yeah, I don't know if they gave you a memory card in there. I can't remember if that was part of it. It was expensive enough. They should have. But yeah, I don't know. But anyway, this is just a general unboxing right now, just to show what's in it, what it's like. And then I'm going to work on getting this installed, and we'll see how well it works.
Porque los hombres se quieren ahora las mujeres también pueden vivir. Le engañan a uno y cuenta se da uno viejo. Eso es los perros no como uno tiene que ver. La primera por capricho, la segunda por coraje y la tercera por placer. 3 veces te engañé, chiquilla. Vamos. Suavísima y mental. Yeah.